But yeah, outside, birds are chirping, car is shining, reflection is blinding, protection is hounding. It's hounding this paint because it's protected with Gorilla ape shit. Oh man. Man. That thing looks so good. I need to put my center cap back on that one. Been slipping, falling. Can't get up. I say I'm slipping, falling. This can't be us. Oh no, you know Cash not slipping or falling. Cash giving y'all what y'all want. And that's that smoke. If y'all want that smoke, Cash gonna give it to you. Cause it's Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. But yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed being outside. I'm about to pull it back underneath and give y'all the outro.